everybody, my name is Kylie Murphy and I'm a volunteer with ATPF. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do a pirouette. I'm a dancer and have been for 6 years, so I've been doing pirouettes a long time. The pirouette you will be learning will eventually look like this. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to be focusing on is your prep. This is very important because this is how you're going to get momentum for your turn. So you can turn with whatever leg you want, but I'm a lefty, so I'm going to put my left leg out to the side. If you're ready, you can put your right leg out to the side, or you can just practice on whatever side you want. So you're going to pick a leg and put it out to the side like this. Your arms are going to be out in a T. Once you're like this, you're going to move this leg directly behind you. Then you're going to bend both legs in a deep plie. This is how it's going to look from the side, sort of like a lunge. And you want to make sure that your back foot is on a really high releve, like on your tippy toes in the back. So your arms are going to go out to the side, and when you go to your lunge, you're going to put them in an L shape, like that. And that's basically your prep. Practice that a few more times, and when you've got it down, you can move on to the next step. For the next step, we're just going to practice balancing. So once you have your prep, your arms are going to open a little bit and then come to this like O shape. And you want your arms to be a little bit lower than your chest. So now we're going to practice balancing. So once you're here, you're going to open and close and bring your whatever leg you want up to a passe. From the side, it's going to look like this. You want your ankle connected to your knee, like this, and you want your toe pointed. Now we're going to practice our prep and balance on a flat foot for a whole 8 count. You're going to tendu, prep, open, and close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that you've got that down, we're going to practice balancing on a higher toe. So instead of just balancing on your flat foot, you're going to rise up on your tippy toes like that and hold it for as long as you can. And try not to lean forward or back. Now you've got the basics, I think it's time to start turning. But before we do that, we need to learn something that will make turning a whole lot easier. And that is called spotting. I learned that spotting is a lot like a dog chasing its tail. So you're going to pick one thing that doesn't move and it's a bit taller than you, and just keep your eyes on that. I'm going to pick that no Wi-Fi sign. So basically spotting is where you're turning in a circle. You want to keep your eyes on that thing for as long as you can, but once you can't see it anymore, you're going to whip your head back around until you find it. Practice spotting a few times and then we can move on. So for your pirouette, you're going to rise up as high as you can on your toe, and your arms are going to push you so that you're turning in a circle. And make sure you keep your eyes on that one thing you chose, because that'll make it a lot easier. You can land your turn like this, you can land your turn like this. It doesn't really matter right now. Let's do a few more. A basic pirouette. Once you're a master at that, you can do as many as you want in a row, or there's so many different types of turns you can do. That was a double pirouette. You can do leg hold turns like this. And there are so many different types of advanced turns. But right now, let's stick to the basic pirouette and seeing how many you can go in a row. I hope you enjoyed this video and keep pirouetting at home. There's so much fun and there's so many more you can learn. Thanks for turning with me, and I hope you had a great time. Bye!